Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create a YouTube Shorts video on YouTube from your PC. And first of all, I will show you this because make sure that your frame height is almost doubled in size. So for me 9020 and 3414 was fine because you need a vertical size because otherwise YouTube can't recognize your short. So keep that in mind. Please make sure that your export is something around this. And now we go to our browser to upload a short. So now if we tap on create, upload video, we can tap on select files. And from here, you will see the short just right here. Please tap on open. Please give this video a title like how to get more views and add a hashtag in it like hashtag shorts. Tap on that. And if you can see the video link just right here immediately changed to youtube.com/shorts. This is exactly what we need because now YouTube recognizes this video as a short. Now we can give the video a description. We can add the video to a playlist if you want that. Make sure that no, it's not made for kids and the other stuff is not necessary. Now we can give our short a lot of tags. That is important. So make sure that you give your short as many tags as possible. Then we go further. So tap on next. Now we can add a related video. So we can add a long form video in it if you want that. So right now we just did it. Then do next. Now, then it's checking for copyright. That cost us 10 minutes left. So then we go further. Now, we can make it immediately public, but I don't want to post this short. So I tap on unlisted. You can also schedule this post. So select the date that you want to post it and then the time. But for me now, I want it unlisted. And once we did everything, we tap on save. And now our short got posted on unlisted or totally different if you select another setting. Alright, if you have questions about this, please let me know it in the comments. For now, thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.